What's up, gig workers? Hey, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. So today I'll be working Uber Eats only. I had a shift with DoorDash and I tried to adjust the time and I accidentally delete it. So I get stuck with Uber Eats only. So hopefully it's gonna be a busy day because we had 5 centimeters of snow last night. And the plows are out, the roads are slippery, and I brought out my heavy duty jacket because it's like minus 18 Celsius, so it's around minus 25 with a wind chill. So it's gonna be a fun day, and if you want you can stick around to the end because I always do the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. So the time is 10:43, finding trips. Here we go, here we go. Woohoo! $5.80, 6.1 kilometers, Starbucks. I'm just gonna accept that. So guys, I'm close to 100 subscribers, and once I hit that milestone, I'll do a giveaway. I mentioned in a previous video, I have a DoorDash pizza bag, if you want that, or $25 cash. For the pizza bag, you have to live in North America, because if you live out in North America, it's gonna be really expensive to mail it to you. Even all in the US, it might be expensive too, but I'll try to do that. And as I hit more milestone, I'll do more giveaway, either money or a product from Uber Eats, DoorDash, Skip the Dishes, because I want to give back to the gig workers then. Okay, so let's go pick up this order. 9 minutes away, 4.8 kilometers. This customer is only 2 minutes away, 1.2 kilometers. So another one from Uber, $9.28, 13 kilometers. Okay, I'll accept that. It's going back to Headingley. That's where I started, so that's good. I think it's Taco Bell. It's just right next door to the customer where I'm gonna drop off that Starbucks. Customer is 10 minutes away, 10.5 kilometers. That was a far drive. I'm so far away from my zone. So far away from lots of restaurants. Look. See that blue cursor there? That's me. I have to drive all the way back where the blue spot is. I hope I get a good tip for driving this far. Uber, you tricked me on this one. Bad decision, bad decision. $4.96, $5.68, 5 kilometers, 7-Eleven. So I parked middle of the street because there's no parking at the side. There's too much snow. Customers right next door here. 5.68. This is $5.52, 4 kilometers. Tim Hortons. $5.52. This jacket make me look so puffy, huh? Damn it. I hate winter jackets. Sucks. I don't like it. I don't like winter either. You guys want to see what's the road like again? Here. These are the streets. side streets. So the time is 12:43, $37.14. That's in 2 hours. So far I did 5 trips and only 2 tips came in, but 3 more other tips have to come in. If the customer is gonna tip, I don't know. So the time is 12:57. So past 15 minutes, no order from Uber Eats. For the first 2 hours, Uber Eats is pretty good. I had lots of order, one after the next. As I said, like around in my market, 1 p.m. it start to get slow. I don't know in your market what it's like. If after 2 p.m. it might get slow. Every market is different, right? I was parking at the Popeyes all the time, and then I decide, oh, I'll probably drive around. The minute I leave the parking lot there from Popeyes, I get an order. But that was good because I wasn't far away. I was just like a minute away. Just make a U-turn, go back to Popeyes. See what I order from Popeyes. It's a chicken sandwich platter and 3 tenders. So maybe a $2 tip. Not the big order, right? So you could tell. Thumbs up. As Popeyes always fast too. So this customer is 9 minutes away, 8.1 kilometers. Yike! 8 kilometers. I'm driving at the back lane. I hope I don't get stuck. Because they didn't grade the back lane. $8.13. So this is $7.28. 7.8 kilometers. Tim Hortons. We'll accept that. $7.28. $8.25. 7.4 kilometers. Uber. Well, it's only Uber I'm working right now with, so I'm just gonna accept that. Right now the time is 2:42. Yeah, I was gonna end my shift at 2:45 and I get this order from Uber Eats. Customer is 12 minutes away, 7.6 kilometers. This is gonna be my last delivery. That's it. I'm tired. Whew. 4 hours straight, no break. The time is 3:05. So I've been working for 4 hours and 50 minutes. I'm just gonna end my shift now. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing to the channel will help to grow so I could do more giveaway. My first giveaway gonna be 100 subscriber. I have a DoorDash pizza bag or a $25 cash money. And then the next one gonna be 200 subscriber. So subscribe, share and like the video so we could grow and do more giveaways, right? Hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. So I work with Uber Eats only. You guys probably know that by now. I had 8 delivery with Uber Eats. I'll start with the bottom. $13.17. Customer tip $3.88. $7.81. Customer tip $2. This order is $9. Customer tip $4.04. $8.36. Customer tip $2.68. $9.52. Customer tip $4. Thank you. $12.88. Customer tip $4.75. Thank you. $10.70. Customer tip $3.42. Thank you. And last and final one, $14.97. Customer tip $6.72. Thank you. So it was 8 trips, so equal $86.41. And I was online for 4 hours and 22 minutes. Net fare was $54.92. And the tip was $31.49. So the total is $86.41 minus $6 for gas equal $80.41 divided by 4 hours and 15 minutes equal $18.92 per hour. Not bad, not bad for Uber Eats. Wow. I guess because of the snowfall and bad condition of roads, bad weather, equal more money. So that's the best time to go out and work, when it's bad condition, heavy snowfall. But also it's dangerous driving. You have to be very careful on the road. You can't speed. So I'll take that. $18.92 per hour with just Uber Eats. And I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to help grow the channel. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.